Hello friends, I am Rohil Mehta from Sarto Electro Equipments Private Limited, Seats, Bombay. Basically, our company is 4-decade old company dealing in various types of instruments, and since last 2 decades we are in 3D printing. Basically, we have FDM printer, we have resin with DLP printer, we have resin with laser, and LPBF is a metal. These machines are coming from Germany, Poland, UK and US. Now I will talk about AMTECH. We are the first distributor of AMTECH worldwide since 2003. AMTECH is an inventor of DLP technology. We have installed more than 200 machines all over India. Now I will talk about the other technology, that is that LPBF. LPBF is a metal printing machine from Velo 3D. The specialty of this machine is specially for making parts without any support. Even though the overhang is less than 5 degrees. So without the support, when you make the parts, your challenges for removing the support is reduced to 0. So this is the best application for space, defense and aero engineering, gas turbine and oil industry. This AMT show, which is happening at Hyderabad on 2nd and 3rd December 2022, is a leading show for all AM enthusiasts, and we request you to visit our booth in hall number 2, booth number B8, to see various samples made on this machine. We wish AMTECH show as the best show for all AM enthusiasts. Thank you and see you at my booth.